Very warm welcome to all of you. I hope this journey is going to be very exciting for you, for me. We will learn a lot in the process. This is a slide that we have to live with every class because this particular class, people can join at various sessions. So what I recommend, if you want to know more about me, see this video. It's optional, obviously. But I strongly recommend that in the LMS, you have to watch these 3 videos before the next class. This tells about the course structure, goal, and plan. Not very important. This last video is about LMS, how to use it effectively, a very brief PowerPoint. But the middle one is extremely important. It teaches you how to set up an environment, okay? That we will use in the next class, right? So that's all about introductions. My goal in this first class and first session, which has 2 classes, is to build a deep learning application. I'll tell you what deep learning is in a moment. An application that can look at images and can detect what they are better than you and I. So we have a fairly ambitious target. In the next 2 classes, let us learn how to build a software program that can see better than us. But before that, one quick note about the diagnostic test. I asked my data scientist to create it. When I looked at it, the first question itself, if A was the brother of B, B was the sister of C, figure out what maternal uncle, it was too tough. I said, oh my God, I can't solve this. But already some of you wrote the exam and got qualified. Congratulations, well done. Okay, you are done, you don't have to worry. But for the sake of others, I changed it. I made the exam a lot more human, easier, okay? So for the first class, because the exam was too tough, I said, you know what, let people come in without taking the exam. But for the next class onwards, if you want to enroll for the course, view these recorded videos again, download the material like this PowerPoint deck and get notifications, and importantly, finally get the badge. Do accept the link from the LMS, change your password, it takes 2 minutes, and take the diagnostic test. It takes 10 minutes. It's easy. Now I think you should be fine. So it is mandatory. I do want to only take people who have a very basic understanding of math and a very basic understanding of English into this course. So I sort of put a constraint that you have to pass the test to be able to complete the course. Okay, great. No further detail on that. Now, let's get to the subject. Let us get extremely ambitious. By the next Tuesday, I want you to be able to write a program that can study X-rays like this. Now think about it. Just take a look at these X-rays. Can you see any difference between them? I can't, honestly. I have a doctor in my name, but this doctor is very different. I mean, there could be, this looks a bit dusty. This looks like less brightness. This I don't know, but I really can't make out any difference. Now, it turns out that this is the X-ray of a patient who has COVID. This is the X-ray of a patient who is normal. This is the X-ray of a patient who has seasonal flu. And we want to build a system, a software program that actually understands such minute patterns and get an accuracy of prediction which is better than most medical doctors. Normal medical doctors who are not radiologists are roughly around 90% accuracy. So if you give these X-rays, they miss out 10% to 12% of the patients. But I want to write a software program. I want you to write a software program that beats the doctor by a decent margin.